Hello everyone, it's JC Tech and Finance here, and today we're unboxing the QN800C, which is one of Samsung's premier 2023 8K mini LED TVs. Now, I've tried a few different TVs over the last year, but this one and the S95C are the ones that I'm really excited to unbox and review on the channel. By the way, in case you were wondering what happened to the S95C, I installed it in my bedroom, and this bad boy is going in the living room. Before we continue, please note that I wasn't sponsored by Samsung, and my thoughts and my opinions are my own. Let's get started. Just looking at the box, it is pretty similar to the other cardboard boxes Samsung uses. It looks very similar to past years, very unassuming. But now, let's go ahead and unbox it and give you my first impressions. So, in the box, we have the installation guide. We have the pack with the remote control and the power cord. In addition to the remote control, we also have the extra long One Connect cable, as well as a short One Connect cable. We have the back cover for the One Connect box. We have a part of the stand that goes at the back of the TV. We have the actual One Connect box itself. We'll talk a little bit more about it later. Let's put it aside. Okay, let me get the TV out of the box. So here we have the Ethernet port, we have the optical out port, we have two USB-A port, we have 4 HDMI port, all of them are HDMI 2.1, and the third port is an EAC port. We have another USB port for a total of 3, and we have the One Connect port. I don't think I need to talk about it again. You know, it's smaller than all of the previous remotes. It's similar in size to the Apple TV remote. That's all you need to know for now.
Hello. Discover great new possibilities.
Okay, so what is new for 2023? Well, we're going to talk about all of these new features more in the next video, but we'll focus on the standout new features. 1. Samsung's new Auto HDR remastering feature. Samsung says that it uses AI deep learning technology to analyze and apply real-time high dynamic range effects on SDR content. Note, I haven't been able to see a button to turn this on or off, so I have to assume that it is always remastering SDR content. I can't tell the difference given that this is my first 8K TV, but I wonder why they would have made it automatic. Next is the adaptive sound mode, which analyzes the incoming signal and automatically optimizes the sound using real-time processing. Next up are features focused more on gaming. GameBar 3.0 adds mini-map sharing and virtual aim point. Minimap sharing allows players to see the minimap of their game at a glance on any display, while virtual aim point, designed for first-person shooters, allows players to view more noticeable crosshairs in any game, so they can make an accurate shot. So, what are my thoughts on the QN800C? At first glance, I'm really impressed with the way colors just pop. I'm impressed with the contrast for the QN800C. Yes, it isn't an OLED, but it's done a better job than any other mini LED TV I've seen. I can't wait until I review this TV more in depth and bring you all more information about it. So, if you got some value out of this unboxing, and this initial impressions, please be sure to hit a like on this video. And if you want to be kept in the know when I release a full review of the QN800C next week, please be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is JC Tech and Finance signing out.